What's up, guys? This is the 4-box Donruss basketball. Clearly Donruss, brand new product, came out yesterday. Hope everybody's doing well. First 4 boxes we did earlier. No big name rookies. We did hit 2 autographs, but still no Ja or Zion in the first 4. So hopefully we'll hit them in this one. Let's roll the dice and let's get going. Maybe it's not a 1. Nope, it's a 2. We'll hit the randomizer 2 times. See who's in the break. Get out of the way. Not restream, we want random. Alright, here's everybody in the break. Jim, Cole, Chad, Robert, and Jaden. We'll hit it twice. 1 and 2. Robert at the top. Chad, you're at the bottom. Boom. This. Boom. Boom. And 30 NBA teams. Everybody's going to get 3 of them. We'll hit it twice. 1 and 2. Heat at the top. Knicks at the bottom. Let me type them all out in the Facebook, and we will get going momentarily. Robert, you're going to be in the 1 spot. Robert, you got the Heat, the T-Wolves, and the Kings. Cole's in the 2. Cole's got the Jazz, the Mavs, and the Bulls. Bulls had a good break last one. Robert's in the 3. Trailblazers. Celtics. Always got a ton of rookies in the stuff. And Pistons. Jim, you're in the 4. Jim's got the Nugs. Thunder. And Lake Show. Chad, you're in the 5. Chad's got the Grizz, nice. The Bucks, nice. And the 76ers. Pretty good draw there for Chad. Cole's in the 6 and the 7. Cole's got the Spurs, Clippers, Wizards. Nice team there. Oh, Pelicans going after Zion. I could spell Pelicans. And Cavs and the Hawks. Pretty good draw there for Cole. Luck with the Pelicans. Jaden, you're going to be in the 8. Welcome, Jaden. You got the Magic, the Warriors. Hopefully hit a Curry. And the Nets. Nets got a bunch of good rookies. Jim, you're in the 9. And Chad, you're in the 10. Jim's got the Rockets, the Pacers, and the Hornets. Chad's in the 10. Chad's got the Raptors, the Suns, and the New York Knicks. Read them out loud one time for you. Robert, Heat, T-Wolves, Kings. Cole, Jazz, Mavs, Bulls. Robert, Trailblazers, Celtics, Pistons. Jim, Nuggets, Thunder, Lakers. Chad, Grizzlies, Bucks, 76ers, Cole, Spurs, Clippers, Wizards, Pelicans, Cavs, and Hawks. Jaden with the Magic, Warriors, Nets. Jim with the Rockets, Pacers, Hornets. And Chad with the Raptors, Suns, and Knicks. Let's get it going. If you have a question, just hop on Facebook. Happy to answer it. Let's get going, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Box number 1. Did pull 2 autographs in the first break that we did. This is just from the same case, so we still have 4 more from this case to do. Like I said, no Zion or Ja in the first 4 boxes. So hopefully we hit some here. Starting off with Devin Booker, Suns. Nice base here. Luka Doncic, Mavs. Really good looking cards. I think they should grade pretty easy too. Here's a gold Nasir Leonard. Golds are not numbered. Nasir Litter for the Trail Blazers. Hornets going to get on the board here with Cody Martin. That's going to the Hornets. Hornets going to have back-to-back cards here, both their top picks. And PJ Washington, my boy, out of the University of Kentucky. I think he's going to be one of those double-double men. Pack number 3. Still in the Zion and Ja hunt. Kawhi Leonard. Clippers. CP3. Thunder. Be on a new team next year, I would think. Wizards going to get on the board here with a Rui Hashimura. Mora. Always butcher his last. Whatever it is. Quandre Weatherspoon. That's going to the Spurs. And Lakers going to get on the board. Or not Lakers. Celtics going to get on the board here with a Grant Williams. Saw some playoff minutes. Back when they were in the Eastern Conference Finals. Eventually losing to the Heat. Looks like we got our first color here. Kyle Lowry base. I'm just going to pick up another one here with Devontae Graham. Oh, this is a sweet card here. Chad, nice card here, buddy. 7 out of 25. Ja Morant. Get out of my house, Ja. Nice card there. 7 out of 25 on the Ja. That's a beauty. That's what we were waiting for in the first 4 boxes. Ja Morant, 7 out of 25. My house, rookie insert. Very nice there, Chad. And Kyle Guy to the Kings. Trailblazers going to hit again with another Nasir Little. Finally get one of the big boys, and it's a nice one. Third insert there for the Grizz. Very nice, sir. Pack number 2. This is Klay Thompson. Shai Alexander. Thunder. Wow. Grizzlies going to hit again here with a Ja Morant. This is the purple variation. Chad having a nice break with the Grizz. That's what we want to see. We want to see the big boys in here. Didn't get it the first break. KZ. That's going to the Heat. I've hit a ton of this guy, though. Ryu again. I think we hit 3 or 4 of his in the first break. So that means there's 5 or 6 of his cards within the first 5 boxes of this case. Not a bad guy to pull. I think he's only going to get better, and you're going to only see his cards increase. Wizards quietly have a nice team if John Wall can stay healthy. I feel like John Wall plays more pickup basketball than he does games in the NBA. Always see him playing pickup basketball in the summertime. Then he's hurt all year in the NBA. No sense to me. Anthony Davis, that's going to the Lake Show. Joel Embiid for the 76ers. I got a Kyrie right here. That's going to the Nets. Goodness gracious. And our third Ja of the break. Goodness gracious. Chad, stay hot. 3 Ja Morants in this break. I will say that the correlation in this product, you're gonna hit. If you're gonna hit the guys, you're gonna hit them multiple times. That's Admiral Schofield for the. It seems like you're just gonna hit the same guys, although you just got to get lucky and make sure it's the same good guys. Chris Middleton to the Bucks. Cannot beat the design on these cards. They are just top notch. Well done. By Panini on this one. Jamal Murray to the Nuggets. Nice insert here. This is going to the Warriors. Stargazing Steph Curry. Nice hit there. It's a pretty card. That's going to the Warriors. Jaden, nice hit, man. Steph Curry Stargazing insert. Very nice. Mario Langford, Celtics. And Darius Baisley, that's going to the Thunder. Zion, where are you? No RJ Barrett either. Sabonis, Pacers. Julius Randle, another NBA player out of Kentucky. There's about 1,000 of them in the NBA. This is a nice card here. 21 of 99. That's the blue version. Kyrie, that's going to the Nets. Kyrie Irving, we'll see how he plays under the Hall of Famer Steve Nash. Ty Jerome to the Suns. And Bol. He had a pretty good playoff run there. Had some minutes. His cards exploded, then they went back down. But we'll see what he does with the Nuggets. Last pack of box number 2. Karl Anthony Towns. That's going to the T-Wolves. KD. Nets. Got a nice card coming up here. This one's going to the Lakers. LeBron James. That is a different variation to me. The purple variation right there. That is a nice card. That's going to the Lakers. LeBron James. That's the purple variation. Not numbered, but maybe a short print. Sweet card. Congrats, Lakers. As the Lake Show. Jim, nice hit, man. Lakers on the board. Dylan Windler, Cavs. Celtics always have a ton of rookies in this stuff. Tremont Waters, that's going to the Celtics. 3 Jaws, 0 Zions, 0 RJs. They gotta be in here, right? Box number 3. Should be 1 autograph left in the case. I think on average there's 3 autographs in the case. Like I said, we hit 2 in the first break we did, although that was about it in the first break. Victor Oladipo, Pacers. Nice one here, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Back-to-back MVPs for him. Donovan Mitchell, gold version, Jazz. Nets going to get on the board here with a Nicholas Claxton. Great defender, shot blocker for the Nets. And Pelicans, wrong Pelican, but Jackson Hayes, a decent rookie. Probably their second best rookie. We do have the Phoenix football 8-case break coming up at 8:30. DeMar DeRozan, Spurs. This is Derrick Rose. Another nice card here coming up. This one's going to the Lakers. LeBron James, stargazing. Jim with some nice LeBrons in this break. Congrats. It's a nice card. Stargazing LeBron. Admiral Schofield, Wizards. And our boy Goja for the Pacers. Always hit a ton of. Anthony Davis, Lakers. Joel Embiid, 76ers. He might get traded. 16 of 49. This is going to the Trailblazers, Damian Lillard. Card there. Darius Baisley to the Thunder. Our 4th, Ja Morant of the break. That is ridiculous. Chad, go buy a lottery ticket tonight. Ja Morant, Grizzlies, gonna hit again. Our 4th Ja of the break. Chris Middleton. It's a small set. Like I said earlier, there's only 100 players in the set. 50 veterans, 50 rookies. So you obviously are going to see the same guys over and over again. But we would hope we'd hit 1 Zion in a case. Goja, Pacers. Obviously, have hit our fair share of Ja Morant. There's another Bobo. And Celtics going to hit again with a Romario Langford. Get the Celtics, you know you're going to get cards and you know you're going to get rookies. Because there are a ton of them in here. This is the last box of this break. Like I said, we'll post the other 4. It'll be the last 4 of this case. We do have some more cases if you guys want to keep breaking this. We'll break it till it runs out. Karl-Anthony Towns, that's going to the T-Wolves. KD with the Nets. Matthias Thybulle, that's the purple variation, going to the 76ers. Nickel Alexander Walker, that's going to the Pelicans. Wrong Pelican. And Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. Yeah, RJ or a Zion, and I feel like this will be a pretty dang good break. We've already knocked our jaws out of the way. We just get our boy Zion, we should be okay. Sabonis, that's going to the Pacers. Julius Randle. Knicks. The rookies, Siku, we hit about 5 of him in the first break. First, Kobe White, that's going to the Bulls. Looks like Kobe is always followed by his brethren, Bulls player Daniel Gafford. Everyone we pulled of him in the first break, there was a Daniel Gafford to follow. 2 more packs. Chris Middleton. Jamal Murray. Matthias Thybulle, 76ers. Hard for the camera to pick up these cards since they are Siku again, Pistons. And Warriors going to get the Jordan Poole. We hit a bunch up in the first break. Zion a super short print? Or are we just getting the non-Zion case? Anthony Davis. Joel Embiid. Anthony Davis again. This is gold variation. Hawks going to get on board here with a DeAndre Hunter. And last card is going to go to the Knicks. That's an Ignis Brazdeikis. That's going to the Knicks. So a better break than the first one. Chad killed it with the jaws. We have the jaw base. LeBron insert stargazing. That's going to the Lake Show. Lakers again here with the LeBron base. Steph Curry stargazing. Ja base. Then our big card is this Ja Morant 7 of 25 Grizzlies. Appreciate the break, guys. Like I said, we'll be back at 8:30 with the Phoenix. I can post the other 4, the last 4 of this case. Hopefully there's a Zion in there somewhere. Appreciate it, guys. These will ship out tomorrow. See you in a bit.